Alright, so damn storm knocked the fence down. So try to fix this shit right here. Got some posts from like Home Depot. Well, actually I got these from installing this. Should post Tampa. I welded those on there. We used to have problems sometimes with the satellite. The wind blowing the satellite, you lose signal. So I would weld like a T into the post to prevent it from like moving around. Same, do kind of like the same thing here. I'll show you. I'm gonna just use that to hold up the fence, cause that's a big piece of fence right there. All right. So got it up, got the tire holding it up. Got some wood right here. We gonna do that. These are the, see, this is what I mean. See, I'll take that piece that I welded right there. Boom, see right there. And that's gonna be, you know, in a T with the ground once I get it all the way down. And we'll just take these 2x4s. I mean, not 2x4, more like 1x5s or something like that. Start posting them in. Okay, so basically I just screwed a couple of these right here in there, like that. It's going down here. I'll probably put up another post right somewhere in this area. Maybe another one. I think I'm gonna move this one right here. It's kind of leaning. And put up maybe 2 more posts. And you have to replace that wood right there too. But that's what I did, you know what I'm saying, this combination of these posts right here. It's a little post sample. And some wood and shit.